Dis maar net 'n kleine lesie. Soms die lewe 'n blessie. Ek weet ek sê altyd reggie. Ek weet ek is sleggie. Alles wat hier gegaan het, negatief ek regret nie. Alles wat ek al gevoel het.
Yo, it's D-Dog, the GOAT, your favorite white boy reactor from the bio. What's good, familia? What's good? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and like this video and turn those notifications on. We listen to Jody Man today. And I hope that the previous reaction that I did drops before I react to this one, because while I'm busy reacting to this one right now with you guys, who ek voel is busy uploading while
Are you high? What it look like, nigga?
I'm busy recording this right now. That track is busy uploading. Yo, I told you guys we're not gonna be sleeping this month. This month I'm gonna be like Luxford. I'm gonna sleep 15 hours a week, only 15 hours a year, so I'm gonna be sleeping. Because you know, there's too many music that's been dropped. So we have to hop on each and every reaction that drops, because there's way too much music that's been dropped.
What did you say?
So I can't sleep. Once I can't sleep, I have to be on every reaction except, because who else is going to do the reactions with me? There's nobody out there that wants to do reactions, my bro. Everyone wants to be a rapper. Why every time I scroll through reels and stuff, ne? Every third video I see is a rapper, bro. Every 8 out of 10 videos I see, it's a rapper. And sometimes it's not even a rapper, it's just people that's just putting words together and making music, or sounding like the other mainstream artists. I'm not gonna say anything, but too many people are sounding like Ziggy. Okay, there, I said it. I just had to say it. Too many people are sounding like Ziggy. But yo,
I am shocked. Shocked. Well, not that shocked.
Jody Man. Like I said in the previous video,
2,000 years later.
Apologies for the interruption. Jody has been keeping the consistency up, I see, since last year. He hasn't been keeping the consistency up since that last time he was dropping back-to-back tracks. But now that he came into this number, into this year, he's been dropping back-to-back tracks. With this track, Hoe Ek Voel, those few music videos that he dropped on his channel with Pretend Me and the Summertime Banger and the Ons Almal Een. This man's consistency has been showing again, bro. I fuck with that. I like it when artists can stay consistent with their music and shit. It really shows their worth ethic, bro. And like how much they actually put into their music with the consistency. And consistency is key, my bro. That's one thing I learned. Consistency is key. And that's one of the things that will pay off the most. Like, look at Benjamin White DTG. He's probably going to win an award for being the most featured artist in Cape Town last year, because he was almost on every single person's feature last year. Literally almost every single artist's feature last year. Consistency shows and work ethic shows. And yeah, today we're checking out Klein Lessie by Jody Man. One thing I like about this, before we even check out this, I want to just say I like this photo cover with this guy that is sleeping with his eyes open. That is one. I heard something back in high school. Someone told me that people that have anxiety or live in fear or have depression, like bad depression, like severe depression and that type of stuff, like they have a bad mental state, they are majority of the people that sleep with their eyes open. It's not a thing that normal people do. It's got to do with like your mental situation that you sleep with your eyes open. Yeah, that's just a little thing. So anybody that wants help there, I'm free to talk anytime. I don't even care if I don't even know you. If you have no one to talk to at your house or no one to talk to around you, whatever, feel free to join the WhatsApp group, get my number, I'm the main admin, and then just message me and I'll speak any day. No matter what I'm doing, I'll leave it just to speak to you, just to make sure that you know that my viewers are know. But away, without further ado, Klein Lessie, Jody Man, let's get into it.
Dis maar net 'n kleine lesie. Soms blessing.
Just. He didn't even give me time for the beat to start or anything, but I just went straight into the banger. Just.
Dis maar net 'n kleine lessie. Soms is die lewe 'n blessing. Ja, ek weet ek sê altyd
Yep. It's just a small lesson. Life is always a blessing. Even if I'm not doing right, life is always a blessing.
dis maar net 'n kleine lessie. Soms is die lewe 'n blessing. Ja, ek weet ek sê altyd reggie. En ek weet ek is sleggie. Alles wat hier gegaan het, negatief ek regret nie. Alles wat ek al gevoel het.
Everything that I went through in life, I don't regret it. Everything that I feel in life, I don't regret it. Away, that's right there. That's right there. That's right.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Ook hard te gepreek en ek weet is die reg. Ja, ek weet. Ek wen zeker op 'n worry. Ek weet dat niemand nie gaan my kom red. Ja, ek weet. En ek worry nog hoor happy. Ek is jy wat rap vir die rentie.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
So, here's that verse. I fuck with this part, ne. I posted this on my story the other day and on my Facebook because I know this word here. Ek is hier jy wat rap vir die rappie. A lot of people, ne, are just making music because everybody's making music and now they want to hop onto that wave because they think it's a way to blow up and to make easy pay and all of that. But this man is born for rap. There's people that's born to rap. And people that just want to rap for the fame and the money and the glory and all that. But this man is born to rap. There's people that's born to rap and people like that. Yeah. And now he's saying he's not one of those people. He's someone that was born to rap. Born for the shit.
Verloor, maar ek het besef dat hy was die mentie. Ek is one way met my eie, en ek skuld nog niemand nie 'n sentie. Nou nog op die 9 to 5, ek is nog hier jou presidentie. What a time to be alive. Damn! Jy doen goed en dan wil hulle envy. Ons klag.
What a time to be alive. You do shit and then they want to envy. When you do stuff, ne, people are gonna get jealous and nod on you because they wanted to do that. Because they want to do what you're doing, or they want that success, or they want that lifestyle that you pursuing, or that career you pursuing. So now they're envying that shit. It's facts that. And he owes nobody fuck all. There's nobody helping him to get where he is.
Van nog niemand die 'n sentie. Nou nog op die 9 to 5, ek is nog hier jou presidentie. What a time to be alive. Jy doen goed en dan wil hulle envy. Ons is klaar getraumatiseerd van die lewe losse dentie. In die hoed geglobaliseerd. Almal weet ek pretend nie. Dis maar net 'n kleine lessie. Soms is die lewe 'n blessing. Ja, ek weet ek sê altyd reggie. En ek weet ek is sleggie. Alles wat hier gegaan het, negatief ek regret nie. Alles wat ek al gevoel het, ook hard te gepreek en ek weet is die reg. Ja, ek weet zeker op 'n worry. Ek weet dat niemand nie gaan my kom red. Ja, en ek worry nog hoor happy. Ek is jy wat rap vir die rentie. Ek het braas al verloor, maar ek het besef dat hy was die mentie. Ek is one way met my eie, en ek skuld nog niemand nie 'n sentie.
Dala man.
What the fuck? No!
Dala, don't koala, just dala. Just. Here's the Jody man we all know and love, the sample king. Here's the sample king, my bro. Okay, so I guess the track is over already. Why 1 minute? Why 1 minute 35 seconds? Why is this new Jody man so short, bro? This MV4 Jody man. Why are you so short, bro? Your tracks are way too short than usual. What the skit? What the wagwan? Like young boy say wagwan. But yeah, while that is done, Moss, let's check out a studio session of Jody, how he records in the studio. Because we saw before how the after thing sounded in the studio on the last reaction. Now we're gonna see how Jody actually works in the studio. Oh, facts. Facts.
Ja, my lewe staf, is fucking swaar. Ek is so moeg van die pyn wat ek gedra.
Pause.
Holy Vader, vergewe my, verdien die lewe my, want ek soek net beter vir myself my.
Just as I know this snippet go, this is a flippin' hard track. I can't wait for this number to drop. Holy shit.
Wete in die hel, ek is nie beter as jou nie, ek is net myself. Hulle het my uitgetel, nou is ek weer terug soos 'n eindsenspel. Face down, jy sê het sy my sal nie ken my vertel. Hoekom maar die wat nou en jou face, hulle is down in die dam, sal ek nie eens hulle jou probleem face.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Ek jou klaar gefeis, die dwaase word verlei mos deur valse profete. Hoekom lê jy so skuldig, jy vat sy keel, jy druk binne sy gewete. Bloedbatoons maak nat, op die vloer is die in die dak. Ongeskool so jy dryp 'n vak, respek dissipline is wat ons moet vat. Jou brein het rein so jy praat dit kak. As ons sê
Yay.
Sorry man.
Here's the other one.
Okay. Sy like it freaky, sy like it soos hy. To love you I might, ek weet nie van dit jy right. Sy's wakker maar geslide dit nou vir as sy is ek alright. Die glasige skink is kinders om my left to right. Sy hoor daar, sy wys my kyk iets hou die man. Sy wys my dat die night is young. Hou my vas wat die laat gaan.
One thing I must say, I'm so disappointed that this track was so short, really. Jody man, I'm cock disappointed in you, bro. I still fight with you, I still respect you and everything, but I'm not that this track was so short, bro. It should have been a way longer track, like this whole 3 minutes. Should have been this whole 3 minutes, this track, honestly. I feel like it was way too short for us to actually get the whole entire message or actually enjoy the track. It was too short to actually enjoy. I didn't know the track. I fought with the track, I love the track, but it's not enough, man. I'm gonna say that it's not enough, the track. I don't know if this is a snippet or the official track or whatever, but Jody man, nah, I'm disappointed, go. I'm disappointed.
Dankie. Thank you to everybody who is hating your mommy's poos, your daddy's mommy's poos. If you don't like me, your uncle's mommy's poos, and your sister's mommy's poos.
But yeah, that was a banger for the books. I will say it's a banger for the books though. Even though that it wasn't fully or wasn't like fully out or whatever. I don't know what Jody man's plan is with this track. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn those notifications on, man, if you haven't already, because I know you haven't. Because why do I have 101 subscribers, but then I only get 20 something views?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yeah, it can't work like that. Subscribe to the channel, turn those notifications on, and like my videos. Asseblief, I ask you nicely. Alhamdulillah.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But yeah, that was another one with D-Dog, D-Dog the GOAT.